This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a parking camera, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: big 18-inch wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, cruise control, a rear spoiler, privacy glass, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, heated side view mirrors, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Patriot Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2805 North 9th Street in Purcell.